Hey, Dana here, and welcome to DC Non-Lethal and the Right to Bear Arms. Today, I'm trying to get to this for a couple of months now. I'm trying to cut it with my other hand, but putting this on my LE is a great thing, but the only problem is I can't put it in any holsters that I own to carry it. Okay. And what I am talking about is it is a tactical flashlight with a laser. So it's coming straight out of Amazon, so you don't know where it's coming from other than where you order it from online. So see, I haven't had a chance to really look at this. If you've been following, you know what my wife's has got one on it right now with a laser. I decided to go with another company. Now, kind of look at these to see exactly. This company is V-Life, and this is designed, let's see, all kinds of little things on here. I'm not sure where the heavy by, you only have to touch the bottom, but I can see, you can see in there, there's the little laser light on the bottom, and then you got your LED illuminant going on there. Like I said, it's going to fit right up here. It's just a little below, back behind the thing there, and there are your buttons. Oh, there's light in there. They're set up. Okay, and then this side here. You know, all kinds of, it's off, on, off, and it's got your on it. Okay, so it is ambidextrous. Your switches are ambidextrous. Now you got another one, and then I'm not sure where they are. All right. So you got flashlight, it's showing flashlight, and then you hit it twice, and then, okay, and there's, let's see, by switching this back and forth all the way, now you just got lights, and okay, set it to the center. There's three. You got three positions here. Let's see. All the way, 1, 2, and that now has light and a little laser in it. Let's go this way. See better. Okay, we got light, and there is a little. Can you see the light? You can see the green laser in there, right? And then, okay, now we just have the laser. First one, second one, light and laser, and then laser is off. Okay, I do like that, and it's V-Light. Like I said, you got right here. You got your settings all the way over to the side, like you just saw, is just a flashlight. Center one is your flashlight and laser. All the way over is just laser. Okay, and another thing I do like is the fact that these are ambidextrous. Push either one of them, and you're going to turn your light on. That's pretty cool. Okay, and this is even better because you're not screwing anything in. All you got to do is loosen it up, and she's going to slide right on here. And we'll pull all the way up. And you'll pull back. That's going to lock in. Lock in right on your rail. Oh, cool. We do have indented slots here. I don't think that has to worry about it. No. I do have. Alright. We do have a slide here. So you can adjust it to go in those little slots right there, okay? Looks like I got it. Pull, it's gonna lock on that. It's pretty tight. I'm not sure if you can turn this. Might be an adjustment. Can you pull it? It's gonna be pretty tight. And you're breaking it. Make sure that's okay. I got that, and I got that back as far as I can get it. And let's see. Okay, looks like you've got an adjustment here for your height on that. All right, she is on. She is on there and nice and level. Hopefully we're in the picture here. And again, doesn't matter which finger you use. You can just be able to touch that. You'll be able to touch that and turn it right on. And then down. I like that. It's kind of hard with my left hand, but I can still get to the button. And up here, you're gonna use your left to do that. All right, that's very nice. I like that. You got it. I got it all the way. You got it. You take it all the way back so it butts up against here, and you got your little grooves in there. All right. I'll put the SD later now. Okay. Okay, and of course, this is the LE. This has got the little longer setup on it. That might even. This is the CL. Let's see if that'll fit on the CL. This is nice because you don't need Allen wrench. You don't need an Allen wrench to undo any of this. All you got to do is pop this off. Pop it. Come right off. And guess what? You put this right in your pocket. Put it right in the pocket. Now let's look real quick. Maybe. Is a little short. Let's see. You're gonna have more light out there than. All right. I just took this lock thing here back as far as it'll go. I don't think No, it's not gonna lock in. But I don't know. No, there's nothing. It's not gonna hold it. Well, that bites. That would be nice on here. But all right. Well, that answers that question. Won't fit on the SL or the SD in this case. I just took that. Okay, your center pin is in there right now. Pull that back. I'm pushing hard. All right. Okay, that takes care of that. Now we have our little screwdriver kit here. You do have a little Allen wrench because you're gonna have to adjust for your laser. You gotta adjust, I think that's probably the height, and then you got this one which is gonna be your left and right adjustment. You'll have to play with that. You have to do that. Now, next thing, we have a, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's cool. Okay, here's your charging cable. It's magnetic. So the other one, the Weiss, has got a got the old style plug in. This one's going to go just like so, and you plug it in and charge it. So we're going to charge this already for 12 hours, I think, 10 or 12 hours. I didn't get a chance to look at the book, but yeah, there's your. It's going to give you your directions for your leveling. I'll tell you how to do that. I'll have to do that in another video, but the screwdriver and 2 LEs, and then let's see, your light. What do we get saying here? Light setting, okay, like it just said, add to 3. You got the light, and then green beam and headlight, and then you're going to have the light by itself. Center one is your green beam, and then you're going to have your light with the green beam. And the duration, you get, that's 1,500 illuminance out of that thing. All right, I guess. You get 1,500 illuminance for 90 seconds. Yeah. With the green beam off, looks like you get 90. With using the green beam, you get 60 minutes. I'll put 1,500 luminance. All right. I'm going to go ahead and let me see his installation is pretty simple, just like I showed you. And green beam calibration is going to be using your screwdriver and all that. And then, I don't know how long it would take to charge, but don't worry about that. Yeah, usually 4 or 5 hours. All right, there we go. And I will leave description in the thing there because I want to see if I can sell these as well as an affiliate or to get them in. So that's V-Life, and I found that on eBay. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. And this was the unboxing and installation of the tactical flashlight. 1-year warranty on that thing. And it is put out by it's like CV Life. No, I think it's, yeah, CV Life. You can find that on eBay. Thanks for watching. You'll catch me on more of DC Non-Lethal and the right to bear arms. Alright, just a quick add-on. Here's my wife's. And this is the FZ Shoot brand of light and laser. This one is not all in one, where you don't select this one. This one here, you'll push the button on, and that's on the left hand side. The right hand side, now you have the laser on it. Let me shoot back this way. Okay, but you got to physically select the button for that. So that one's off, and then we can push this one on, and now we have the laser. Okay, and then you push the left side. Now we have the light and the laser. This one's 800 illuminance, where that the V has got 1500. I'm going to get that on, see what it does for light. It is a little easier. I can't remember if I bought. Let's see if this one over. Yeah, this one kind of overshadows because it is 1500. It's twice the light.
I found that the
twice the light of this one.
V Life
and then
laser light
again.
This 1500 only lasts 90 seconds, and then it drops down to 500 illuminance.
I think I paid 60
and stays there not that long.
30 for this.
So I'm still testing that to see if it's just because of the charging system on it, but I'm not really happy right now with the length of time that light is
a little longer.
Functional.
We got a stronger battery on it.
But the one with the
and it is
800 illuminant is
the little pull
for the duration
tab lock
until the battery dies.
This one here you got to use an Allen with. So anyway, depending on which one you want. All right. Again, thanks for watching. You'll catch me more on DC Non-Lethal and the right to bear arms.